You say
Oh, sure.
we want to aim at 15 sales a day. How do we know that it actually gets the 15 sales a day? Or maybe
Yeah,
it's
no,
more.
great.
Maybe people are looking for 1,000 sales a day, right? They're, going super strong, so or something like
Yeah.
that.
So yeah, we have some. I would say that the most we generally see is like 50 to 70 a day. I mean, above that is really not even necessary for the most, even the most competitive products.
Mm.
Going above 50 generally isn't even necessary.
Mm-hmm.
But I would say is, yeah, so on the dashboard where you see the schedule versus actual, so we're releasing that many units that you want. So in your example, I think you said like 11, 10 or 11 or
Mm-hmm.
15. We would release 15 and we actually use day parting. So it doesn't just flood the deal site all at once. We're dropping units and we use a sophisticated normal distribution. So it's actually follows the organic way that buyers purchase, right? And so this is all about creating the most organic experience possible. Just like I use the mystery shopper example in physical stores, they want them to go in and create this organic experience. We're trying to do the same online. So we drop the units organically throughout the day in kind of a normal distribution, and then the buyers, if they want the product, they're going to grab it and they're going to go through the process. And of course, we're going to try to get you 15 sales, but maybe we'll get you 13, and so that will show on your dashboard. It'll show 15 scheduled, 13 actual orders. You know what I mean? And then you'll see the orders, you'll see the order number, you'll see the buyer name, real buyers, like not fake, there's nothing fake going on. And so they're purchasing and you can see them. And then you can tie that to your Seller Central or Walmart Seller Center and make sure that it's the right buyer, it's a true buyer, and then reconcile it that way if you want.